Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2020 Ford Escape SE. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got a dual exhaust, you got backup camera, roof spoiler, got the nice silver rims, got some nice chrome and black trim along this vehicle, blind spot detection, and moving to the front, we got that lovely Ford grille. Taking a look at the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space, which is always pretty handy. You got a light back here, can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, got a hook to hold things down, 12 volt, and the additional storage below with a spare tire, and you got some hooks there as well. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray black cloth interior, floor mats, carpeted interior, adjustable rear seats. You do get plenty of door space in the back with rear vents, 12 volt, and of course you do get the cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, lights, all on our left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 5,596 kilometers. Got a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle free screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, cruise control, and on your main menu here you got trip 1, my view, driving assist, navigation, audio, phone, information. To my right we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, auto stop, auto start, and drive modes, cup holders. More storage here with some outlets, and you do get your center console as well, climate controls with heated front seats, hazards with media controls, storage below, and on your main screen here we got navigation, audio, and phone. For your audio you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, SiriusXM, phone controls, navigation, search recent saved, have your apps open here, so any apps you may have downloaded will show up right in here. Settings such as Ford Pass, driving assist, radio, Apple CarPlay, automatic updates, navigation, and shifting to reverse. We do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8399, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.